Bayangin, main game kelas konsol langsung dari HP, tanpa emulator, tanpa ribet. Di video ini, aku bakal buktiin gimana Red Dead Redemption versi Android native dijalankan di Poco F6. Dan kita lihat, apakah performanya benar-benar sekencang klaimnya. Sebagai informasi, smartphone yang aku gunakan adalah Poco F6. HP ini dibekali chipset Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 fabrikasi 4 nanometer yang dikenal punya performa tinggi tapi tetap efisien. Dengan kombinasi ini, Poco F6 jelas jadi kandidat kuat buat main game berat. Sebelum gameplay dimulai, aku jelasin dulu setting yang aku pakai. Di sini, Red Dead Redemption aku atur ke grafik rata kanan, alias semua setting visual di posisi paling tinggi. Sekarang kita langsung masuk ke gameplaynya. Seperti yang kamu lihat, gamenya bisa berjalan lancar dan stabil, bahkan saat aku main sambil merekam layar. Frame rate terasa mulus, kontrol responsif, dan detail grafisnya tetap terjaga tanpa penurunan performa yang terasa. Yang bikin makin menarik, meskipun ini game berat dengan visual kompleks, Poco F6 masih bisa menjaga performanya tetap konsisten. Suhu juga masih terkontrol, jadi main lama pun tetap nyaman.
Horses than these in all of New Austin. Take it slow on the way out of town. No need to kick up a lot of dust. Oh, it's Fort Mercy you want to visit?
That's right.
Ain't taking nobody up to the fort in a long time. Strange place for a decent fella to want to visit, if you don't mind me saying.
Who said I was a decent fella?
It's been abandoned for years now. Folks say it was built during the Mexican War. What kinds of soldiers around back then?
Why'd they leave?
Well, I ain't entirely sure. I heard they had to go up north to fight Indians, or maybe they got tired of being soldiers and went looking for gold. You know how things is. So what are you doing up at the fort?
I'm looking for an old friend.
Well, like I says, you ain't gonna find many folk around those parts these days. Those you do find are about as sociable as most rated back tooth. I mean, I ain't one to judge a man by the company he keeps, but...
Well, he ain't been friends for a long time.
Are you planning on spending any time in Armadillo, Mr. Marston?
I doubt it. I ain't planning on staying very long.
Well, if you're fixing for some female company, you can do a lot worse than Armadillo. Fine as cream gravy they are. Not like Thieves Landing. Dang, those girls ain't even fit for a drinking man to hold up with.
I'm a married man, I'm afraid.
Ain't we all? Yep.
Let's go.
Yeah, so it was the marshal who hired me. Lee Johnson, do you know him?
I think I heard his name.
Says he got a telegram from some Blackwater big bugs asking for a guide. I guess it's none of my business.
That's right.
You ain't very talkative, are you?
Nope.
I'm just chewing the dog, mister. It's how I am. I don't mean nothing by it.
Trust me. There's things you better off not knowing.
I'll tell you, Mr. Marston, those coyotes eat better than I do. Not far now. You'll see the fort when you get to the top of this hill. Yeah, yeah.
Whoa.
Jadi, itu tadi uji coba Red Dead Redemption versi Android native di Poco F6. Dengan grafik rata kanan, gamenya tetap lancar, bahkan sambil screen recording. Kalau menurut kamu, performa seperti ini udah cukup buat disebut HP gaming kelas atas? Tulis pendapat kamu di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan konten uji coba game berikutnya. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya.